Let's now get to know how we can fix the problem of startup repair or automatic repair in an easy, exclusive, and completely permanent way without using any programs and without doing any format. When you first turn on your laptop or your PC, you suddenly find this issue appearing, just like you're seeing now, and even if you press continue, the same screen shows up again with the same message. Startup repair couldn't repair your PC, meaning Windows can't fix the boot. So let's get to know a very simple method to fix this problem permanently and without formatting. And at the beginning, if this is your first time watching us, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell on all so you don't miss any of the tutorials and videos we upload. And I hope you support us by giving the video a lot of likes, because this video will help you a lot if you face this issue. After you hit like and subscribe, let's begin the tutorial. All you have to do is click Advanced Options, then click Troubleshoot, then again Advanced Options. You'll find 6 different options, and each option has a specific function. For example, System Restore. This option will help if you already created a restore point on your device. If you click it, I personally didn't create any restore point before, so it will probably show an X like this. But if you had a restore point created, you would see next available. But most of us don't usually create restore points. But if you did, just click next, and the problem will be fixed immediately. But as we said, most Windows users don't have restore points, so we'll click Cancel, then Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then click Command Prompt. And there's an important note I forgot to mention. If this error appeared after a Windows update, it's better to choose the option, go back to the previous version, meaning return to the older build. If the issue appeared right after updating Windows, but if the issue appeared suddenly, then choose Command Prompt. After that, type this command, sfc/scano. This will scan all system files and repair any corrupted ones. Wait until it reaches 100%. After it finishes, type this command, bootrec/fixmbr. Then hit enter, and you should see the message. The operation completed successfully. This command fixes the system boot and MBR. Then type the next command, bootrec/fixboot. This also repairs the system boot, then type bootrec/rebuildbcd, then press enter. This rebuilds the Windows boot configuration data. You must make sure it says, the operation completed successfully. This step is very important. After that, type exit to close the window. Now we move to the second step, and this step will fix the problem permanently with no return. Press Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then choose Command Prompt again. Here, we will repair the C drive that contains Windows. All you have to do is type chkdskc:/f, then press enter. This command goes through around 7 phases, so wait until the whole process completes. After it finishes, type exit, then press continue. Or you can choose shutdown and turn on the device again, then press continue to boot into Windows. Wait a little, and as you can see, this is the Windows welcome screen, which means the problem has been fixed, and now you can use Windows normally. But there is one more recommended step, so the problem never appears again. Open the Start menu, go to Settings, then Update and Security, then choose Recovery and click Restart Now. Wait until this screen appears, then click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose one of these two options, Startup Settings or Startup Repair. This step is very important because it fixes many other system issues and reduces the chance of this problem appearing again. After that, choose Startup Repair. Then choose your device's name, then Continue. If your device has a password, enter it, then press Continue again, and wait until the repair process finishes. Then the Windows logo will appear, followed by the welcome screen, and with that, we have completely fixed the startup repair or automatic repair error that appears suddenly when turning on the device. At the end of the video, if you liked it and benefited from it, don't forget to click like, and if you're still not subscribed, don't forget to support us with your subscription, and most importantly, turn on the notifications on all so you get all our new tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. And of course, all the commands we used in the tutorial, you will see them displayed on the screen. And I will also leave them in the description below the video.